To get into the holiday spirit this year, I thought it'd be fun to do a rum advent calendar. And I had seen some that had, 24 bottles of rum in them, and that was a little bit too much for me. But I did find the Spirit Bomb advent calendar, when Spirit Bomb is a parent company of Clement, Rhum J.M, Chairman's Reserve, and Bounty rums. And what's great about this one is it's just the 12 days of rum. So just 12 bottles of rum in the box, so I could space it out over December and wouldn't have to make a cocktail every single day. And the idea here was to take a bottle and make a daiquiri. However, I ordered this at the end of November, right after Thanksgiving, and it was supposed to take 2 to 5 days, and it took 2.5 weeks. So here I am in the middle of December with 12 bottles of booze. But here's the thing, they're not all bottles of rum. There's a Clement Creole Shrub, there's a coconut liqueur, there's even a spiced rum inside. So instead, I thought I'd just rig the whole thing and make 4 or 5 of these in a daiquiri over the next couple weeks, instead of going through the whole box here. So today, let's start with the number 1. We'll open up this box right here. Oh. There's another problem with this advent calendar. The bottles don't really fit, but... So here's our first rum, which is Rhum J.M XO. It's a Martinique agricole rum, 45% ABV. It's aged for 5 years in ex-bourbon barrels before being finished for a final year in French oak. I did no research here, so I'm looking these all up. So let's make a daiquiri with this. The bottles are 50 milliliters instead of 60 milliliters, so I can't make a full daiquiri. So instead, I'm just gonna make a half daiquiri with 1 ounce of our rum, half an ounce of lime juice, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar. And the cap doesn't go back on, so this is just turning out to be a overall great experience. If you're interested in the retail price of a full-size bottle, I believe it's about $70, maybe $75, and I think it is the most expensive of the rums inside the box. All right, so let's try the Rhum J.M Daiquiri. Overall, probably not the best use of this rum in a daiquiri, but you get those elements. There's a little bit of that grassy floral taste from your rum agricoles, but it's not too intense. It's more subdued, and you do get some of those oaky notes from the aging. And while the whole process to do this has been a goddamn pain in the ass, I'm in a generous, giving holiday mood, so I'll give this one 4 out of 5 Rudolphs.